welcome back, and I'm sure you all are doing great. Today we are going to talk about how to identify the right business opportunity. And I'm sure how many of you want to start your own business here? Say yes. Fantastic. Okay. So, for all those dear friends who want to start their own business, they must have to listen to this video because I'm going to tell you very important thing. Our main topic of discussion today is how to identify the right business opportunity. Because if you're not identifying the right business opportunity, you will waste a lot of time during the business. Okay? You will be doing trial and error, and I know ultimately you will know nothing work. Then again you have to restart the entire process. That is a huge time waste for you. To avoid that, listen to me right now. That is nothing but the strategies to identify the right business opportunity. Okay, let me tell you that now. The first one is identify your passion. Okay, identify what you love to do. Okay, or what is your major interest. And if you can do a business in that particular sector, you will be successful. No doubt about it. Let me tell you why. When you're passionate about something, your entire concentration or the focus will be on the business. You will be completely focused on your business. You will not even feel that you're doing something different. You will be that much focused. So when you involve completely into your business, definitely you will be successful because you will go and do everything possible to get the result. Right? So that is one of the major strategies to identify the right business opportunity. That is nothing but understand and identify your passion and start a business in your passionate segment. Second one is, if you ask me, most of the people, why are they starting business? They want to make a lot of money. Okay? So, having that in mind, understand which is the segment is having high demand. Okay? Or there are a lot of generic segments which are evergreen all the time. So, understand the evergreen segment, then start a business in that particular segment. The advantage is you will never lose. Right? Always you will grow because that's an evergreen segment. There is a high demand in that. So, when you go and start a business in that particular segment, there will be always demand. You will always grow. So, these are the smart strategies where you can start your own business. So, I want all of you to analyze before starting business and understand the passionate area or understand the high demand segment, then start the business, you will flourish. Okay. So, I wish all the best for all of you and I want to see all of you as a wonderful entrepreneurs. Right? And my dear friends, to support you, I have launched a portal called eminentdigitalacademy.com. There we have training program for women entrepreneurs. We have training program for businessmen. Right? So the step-by-step process to start the business and to flourish in the business we are sharing in that particular program. So kindly check out eminentdigitalacademy.com and subscribe the program of your choice. Right? Learn, apply in your business and rock. So wish you all the best. Take charge. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.